Hi guys, now let me say, which backyard do I think I'm in? Well, as you see, got the trampoline, got the play equipment, you got the birds, you got the dog, but where's Hannah? Hannah! Hannah? Buddy, can you help me find Hannah? That's a good boy. Now where do you think Hannah is? Let's call Hannah once more. Hannah! Hannah, say your name. Hannah, did you see her? I don't think I saw her. Did we see her? All I see is a net. Hannah! There you are.
Hello.
Let's say, can you get yourself down?
Yes.
Show the little ones. Good job. Now show the little ones how you got up. Yep, see? Dream, believe and achieve. Never give up. See? Hannah's dream, never give up. And there's little Sienna. Hello, Sienna. Here's my little sister. Hello, Sophie. And Hannah's already up. Whoa. And then, of course, there's Buddy. Who does not love a dog like Buddy? Whoa, she's never giving up. She's swinging so hard. She's like an Olympics girl. My little sister, just trying to swing, and she's swinging. All right, everyone, let's all hop down and let's talk about your lives. Go, Sienna, go, Sienna, go, Sienna, go, Sienna, go, Sienna, go. That's a bit weird for the camera. Oh, look, there's a mower. This is what Hannah's sister uses. All right, Hannah, show them what it does. See, in lawnmowers. There it is. Whoa! See, Hannah, you're on a bull. Oh, hello, Buddy. Oh, there she is. All right, well, let's show you the view of the house. Isn't it beautiful? I agree. With a Sienna in the background. But let's go across. So here's the shed. You might have seen it in the bit of the first video, but that's not a thing. Now, let's take you to this bush. Well, let me zoom out a bit. Fully. Now, this bush, you're not going to believe this, but this smells like weed, because you want to know the reason why it smells like weed? Because it's a wee bush. You can't...
And the poo boy.
Well, I'm just saying, if you go in it, you come out for about a few days smelling like pee. Even if you have a shower. What, Sienna? Oh, she's running after us. Oh no, we better run. Ah! Oh no, there she is. Now we gotta chase them. They're after us, Sienna, run! There they are! Run, people, run! Don't step in the dog food! There we are! Ah! Don't step in the dog poo, everyone! After you! I think we're safe! No, we're not! We're safe, everyone. Good job. We're safe. Can you see anyone running towards us? Ah! There's the dog! Doggy, help us! Oh, this is so weird and fun, Hannah, isn't it?
I'm funny, guys.
Which? Don't hold on to my collar. Don't hold on to me. Right, that's enough, Sienna. Oh no, I'm it. Okay. Now let's look something a bit more about. Why is there a chimney there? And a chimney there. And there. Compare them to. How much do they look alike? Tell me in the comments below.
a grab, please.
Sophie, stop being a bossy britch. A britch means stop being telling her boss. She's saying, put them on you, put them on you. And the dog's like, I've had enough of these kids. I want to run away.
My
No.
neck is down.
And he's like, I like this shit. I want to put my buddy against it.
Make my butt.
No. Let's zoom in on him.
I need to pee. That's a big grey butt.
I wasn't aiming at that. Let's put it where he goes. Buddy! Buddy, come here, boy. Stop, Hannah. Come here, boy. Man, he's shaking. The ground is shaking. Look at him. Who's that? Not me.
We got you.
Ah, she got me.
Come on, get him. Here.
Ah, I'm going to take it to the ground. Bye, two young little kids.
Here's my stick.
Well, that's big and huge.
And now she's pulling me. Here I am. The kids are pulling me. You know what? Run away!
There, beep beep. I'm speeding. Oh, thank you guys. I think I'll end it here because we're going to chase too much. Bye.